Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to compare Shopify versus BigCommerce. I'll compare them in terms of features, pricing, customer reviews, and I'll give you my opinion. So by the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of which one is better for you. Both Shopify and BigCommerce are popular e-commerce platforms that allow you to create an online store even if you have no programming experience. The e-commerce rivals both host tens of thousands of online stores, generating billions of dollars. And in this video, we will compare them to figure out which one is better for you. And let's start with their key features. Both Shopify and BigCommerce offers store building tools allowing you to sell products. BigCommerce integrates with 41 apps, while Shopify has an app store with thousands of different apps you can add to your store. Both BigCommerce and Shopify help you with collecting in and calculating taxes and shipping fees. So both of them are built for e-commerce and offer very similar features. They are also both very easy to use with over 100 website templates. So that's how they stack up against each other in terms of features. However, there are more categories to explore. Next, we will take a look at their pricing options. BigCommerce starts at $29 per month for the standard plan, then the Plus plan for $79 per month, and Pro at $299 per month. BigCommerce offers off a 15-day free trial, while Shopify offers a 3-day free trial, and the first month for only $1. Their pricing plans range from $21 per month up to $2,300 per month. On top of that, Shopify charges transaction fees ranging from 1% to 2%. If you want to claim the BigCommerce 15-day trial or Shopify 3-day free trial and first month for $1, you can use the links down below in the description. Now, one category that I like to take a look at when making a decision like this is the customer reviews, because what better way is there to find out which product is better than to look at the opinions of hundreds of experienced users. So let's take a look at what their users think. On G2, Shopify scores 4.5 stars out of 5 with over 4,500 reviews. BigCommerce scores 4.2 stars out of 5 with over 500 reviews. So Shopify is rated slightly higher and has a lot more reviews, and in the end I will give you my honest opinion. In my opinion, Shopify is the better option for e-commerce with thousands of apps focused on e-commerce, such as upsell apps, email marketing apps, and much more. On top of that, Shopify is cheaper to get started with than BigCommerce, since you can use it for over a month for just $1. Now, if you want to build a website that is not for e-commerce, then I would go with another website builder such as Wix or Squarespace. So in the comparison of Shopify versus BigCommerce, I would personally go with Shopify. And also what makes me choose Shopify is that it has a large number of users. They also have good customer support, and you can also talk or chat with their support at any time. And actually their interface is very easy, and you have many applications as I mentioned before, so you can easily choose any one of them in order to make your job easier. But I also need your opinion, guys. Tell me down below in the comments which one will you choose, Shopify or BigCommerce. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.